everyone, myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India COVID tally saw a marginal uptick in terms of cases and deaths today. As per the official data, 43,733 fresh COVID-19 infections were detected in the last 24 hours. In terms of the fatalities, the government bulletin said that 930 people lost their lives due to the coronavirus. Comorbidities are the main reason in as many as 70% of the COVID deaths. The government has said in distributing trend while the new infection are increasing, the vaccination rate has gone down as against the 46 lakh COVID jabs on July 5. Around 36 lakh doses were administered on July 6. There is a sharp dip in the number of the people vaccinated across the nation. The center, on the other hand, maintains that around 1.6 crore doses are still with the state. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar died this morning after illness. His family and doctors treating him said he was 98. Dilip Kumar, known to generation of film goers as a tragedy king, had been admitted to the intensive care unit ICU of Hinduja Hospital, a non-COVID-19 facility, since Tuesday. He passed away due to the prolonged illness at 7:30 a.m. The Mughal-e-Azam actor had been in and out of the hospital in the last 1 month, and the family was hoping he would get better. The veteran actor career spanned 6 decades in Bollywood. News Movement team expressed its profound grief and demands to honor him with Bharat Ratna. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021-22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Purulia working editor Vikas Prasad, a 40-year-old woman named Urmila Rai of Asansol, Kutidanga, died when a Tata Magic overturned in a road accident while returning from a Sharda house from Kasipur in Purulia district, while 12 other people were seriously injured in the accident. The vehicle was carrying 25 women and men and was returning to its home in Asansol.
चलो इधर वाला ले लेंगे, चलो इधर चलो ना चुपचाप।
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Barabani block dear MLA Vidhan Upadhyay and Barabani block TMC block president today under the leadership of Ashit Singh, the Trinamool Chhatra Parishad distributed max in the hands of the people walking on the floor of the market. Reported by Manoj Sharma from Barabani.
আজকে আপনাদের এই কর্মসূচি কি উপলক্ষে এবং কি কর্মসূচি ছিল?
আজকে আমাদের এই ধমানি বাজার হাটতলাতে মাননীয় বারাবণীর বিধায়ক শ্রী বিধান উপাধ্যায় মহাশয় এবং বারাবণীর ব্লক প্রেসিডেন্ট শ্রী অশোক সিংহ মহাশয়ের নেতৃত্বে এবং বারাবণী তৃণমূল ছাত্র পরিষদের ব্যবস্থাপনায় আমাদের আজকের এই মাস্ক বিতরণ সম্পূর্ণ করা হলো। এই কোভিড সিচুয়েশনের মধ্যে আমরা যে কাজটা করতে পেরেছি তাতে আমরা সমস্ত বারাবণীবাসী এবং সমস্ত তৃণমূল ছাত্র পরিষদের সকল সদস্যবৃন্দকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই এবং ধন্যবাদ জানাই আমাদের যে বারাবণীর বিধায়ক মাননীয় শ্রী বিধান উপাধ্যায় মহাশয় এবং অচ্যুত সিংহ মহাশয়।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Barabani block, the body of young man named Sumen Manji was found hanging from the neck of Roshna Jungle under Panuria Gram Panchayat. His father had filed a missing diary with Barabani police station about 25 years ago. Police sent the body to Asansol District Hospital for autopsy. Running Manoj Sharma report from Barabani. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Barakar Fandi area of Durgapur police commissariat become tense once again on Wednesday after yesterday dispute after the death of a young man yesterday. Another young man is seriously ill. Today he was admitted to the ICU and because of this the tension is spared there again. Outraged people blocked the road by burning tires. Significantly, the Barakar police branch had arrested several people in the connection with the theft on Monday night. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Kolkata police searched the house of businessman Ganesh Bagaria. The intelligence department of Kolkata police searched Bangur house. A research was conducted in Kalighat police station area on the basis of FIR named several influential people in an audio tape leak. It alleged that Ganesh Bagaria is a voice of audio tapes. Then an FIR was registered against Ganesh Bagaria in Kalighat police station. Based on the FIR, Kolkata police had conducted a research. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. The Trinamool government presented the budget for the first time after coming to power for the third time due to the illness of Finance Minister Amit Mitra. Industry Minister Parth Chatterjee presented the budget this time. This is the first budget of 17th Assembly. Yesterday, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar had also approved the state budget as per the rules. The budget was expected to announce social project announced by the state ruling party before the vote. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Clean at Jaichandi Pahar railway station under CSR of DVCR, TPS and Green Academic Delivery after zone work performance dustbin and RO based with garden area developed at railway station. Water purifier installation work completed. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. MP and Union Minister of the State Babul Supriyo from Asansol in West Bengal has resigned from the ministry. Modi government is going to expand the cabinet for the first time in its second term, but the composition has increased considerably before the cabinet exemption. BJP MP from Asansol in West Bengal and Union Minister of the State Babul Supriyo has resigned from the ministry. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Krishna Rai, wife of MLA and former Railway Minister Mukul Rai, who left BJP and joined Trinamool after the assembly election, died at a private hospital in Chennai. On Tuesday, she had been suffering from the disease for a long time. She was also infected with corona in Kolkata. He was later admitted to the Chennai-based hospital for treatment of other ailments. On the other hand, CM Mamata Banerjee mourned the demise of Krishna Rai and said that she was deeply saddened by the demise of Krishna Rai, wife of MLA Mukul Rai. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Kasumara, a former deputy mayor of Asansol Purani Gram and a member of Pur Administrative Board, was involved in the controversy when he went to the Asansol Purani Gram camp and vaccinated the woman with his own hand. The incident took place last Saturday morning at the Chabakka Nabasis Palli in Yamatpur. On the same day, Tabasumara was mourned by city administrator Amarnath Chattopadhyay. He was asked to respond to the show by Monday. On Tuesday, he submitted the reply of so causes to the city administrator to Purani Gram. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Everyone sees what you appear to be, few experience what you really are. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.